Alright, lots of people always also have problems with their X button because it's like either like really dirty or worn out on the inside. So what happens, the rubber padding right here, if you use your PSP like a lot, the rubber padding will get worn out. This part where the X button presses down will get ripped, so it doesn't work as well. Either that, or you want to end up taking your PSP apart, start cleaning around here, remove the screen, find out what the problem is under. Right now I don't have the exact stuff to do this shit, but yeah, that's all.